it feels like the only way to wrap it up really would be to end my career on home soil and a big fight in Croke Park.
Thinking about coming to the end of your career, your life has changed a lot, hasn't it, in recent times?
Yeah, I guess it has. I'm obviously coming up to my retirement fight, and now so I'll be stepping outside the ring. But I've also got married a couple of years ago as well. I've got an amazing family life back in America also. I think this has been a great change, and I'm so happy that kind of love snuck up on me on the later stage of my career. It's been a great time, a very exciting time for me. And life is great, thank God.
Yeah, and how do you cope with the busyness of family life as well? Because it's a lot, like to go from
it is.
it's just me to look after to there's all these people here now.
Oh yeah. I always say I went from living on my own to living with my husband and his 5 kids. So it's a whirlwind of a change. It's been a hectic change, but it's all great. It's been a challenge as well at times, but at the same time, there's nothing like being surrounded by kids and being surrounded by family, and it's just having so much life in the house as well. I'm still training away and just waiting for some fight news. Really, I'm not sure what's happening.
Well, listen, we all are. We all are.
It would be an absolute dream, but it feels like the only way to wrap it up really would be to end my career on home soil and a big fight in Croke Park, and not just for me, but for everybody else that has spent their hard-earned money and support me around the world. And I want to put on a performance worthy of their support and encouragement throughout the years as well. I get goosebumps nearly thinking of it, to be honest. So it will be the icing on the cake for me to end my career here.
So it's the stadium that matters to you.
The
really,
stadium that matters to
the
me.
venue.
Exactly. This career has been absolutely remarkable. The minute I put on my gloves at 9 or 10 years of age, I don't think anyone could have imagined the career that I've had, from becoming an Olympic champion to becoming an undisputed champion. I don't think anybody could have imagined this really headlining stadiums like Madison Square Garden, but Croke Park feels like the only way to actually end all of this amazing career that I've had.